Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Motorola E13 phone. For this we need a special brush about 2 centimeters long with bristles that are flexible, soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to first soften the dirt and then so that everything evaporates and leaves no trace. And it's also very good to have a small specialized plastic cleaning tool that lets us carefully inspect and examine the inner sides of the socket to see if there's any accumulated debris or stubborn dirt trapped inside there. That could be potentially blocking the charging plug or the connection cable. We printed one ourselves. You can buy one like this on Allegro or something similar. It's best if it's made of plastic because metal could cause a short circuit in the socket and you could damage your phone, but if it's plastic it won't cause a short circuit, so everything will be fine. If you want to buy such a brush or this kind of alcohol, actually specifically a diffuser, you can get a set like this on Allegro or Amazon, or if not, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise it will scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off for this operation. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. Dampen the brush. Take the phone in your hand. Now, here we have the port. Carefully insert the specialized cleaning brush from one side, pushing it as far as it will possibly go into the port, and then slowly move it across to the other side. You should make about 10 to 15 of these deliberate back and forth movements to ensure that you clean the entire length of the port thoroughly. Then insert the brush from the other side and clean in the opposite direction, also making 10 to 15 movements. If the port is a bit dirtier, it's a good idea to repeat this 2 or 3 times on each side, so that you end up with about 45 movements in each direction. Just remember to change direction after every 15 movements, so that the entire port gets thoroughly cleaned. After thoroughly cleaning the area, we take this specialized little piece of plastic and use it to go over the entire bottom surface of the port, carefully trying to see if we can successfully extract any remaining debris or if anything else unusual shows up during the process. On the other side of this piece of plastic, do the same thing inside the port, and then you can go in the other direction to check the other end of the port to see if anything comes out. If you don't get anything from one side, try the other side of the plastic. And that's all. Now set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that time you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.